but I really wish you all the best. My best wishes, hugs and kisses. Hello my beautiful friends, happy holidays everyone. Only a few days left till Christmas, still plenty time to be creative and maybe do some last minute Christmas cards. I have been collecting those stripes. Those are watercolor stripes, leftovers from my paper that I have been cutting from A4 size to my size of a card. Those are the cards I've been using for the past weeks for all my videos, and I just couldn't throw away those stripes. I didn't know whether I'm going to use them or not, but I tend to not to throw away watercolor paper. You can even make some color samples on it, color swatches, so I kept them, and then I thought, wow, what a genius idea. So put your stripes on the watercolor paper, sprinkle it with some water, and then randomly paint it with all shades of green. It's such easy. You have plenty of greens, I'm sure, of watercolors. You can do some teal as well. Look at it. It's amazing, beautiful collection of stripes. Of course, they are probably damp and wet underneath it. Help it out with the tissue and just have them dry, and your stripes are ready. You can build a gorgeous composition. The paper underneath it, it's gorgeous as well. You can paint it even more and have more stripes. And time to build our Christmas tree. The one that you see on the left, I created for my reel on my Instagram. Actually, it's not even published yet, this one that you see on the left. Once you can see today's video, the left one is not published yet. However, there's another Christmas tree with the stripe being published. You can't see it, and it's a different shape, so you have to go and see and check it out. It is actually gorgeous. Look, I just measured, look, just randomly a little bit bigger, then smaller, a little bit smaller stripes. Like there, I'm not using ruler, I'm not really precise. I don't mind whether my stripes are thicker, thinner, what's the color. I think the beauty of it is the fact that it is really random. It is really not that perfect, and it's just exactly, that's why it's perfect, actually, I think. And of course, the star. My mom said I shouldn't be using this kind of star. I don't know about it, but I don't know how else I can draw a really evenish star unless it's a snowflake. Maybe you have some ideas. Maybe I have to practice for next year all the stars. Maybe we should do a star tutorial. I'm gonna source it for next year. I'm using my favorite marker. It's fantastic. Get yourself those markers. Get yourself this gorgeous, beautiful stamp. All the links to everything that I'm using are in the description box, so check it out. Of course, a little tiny glue dots from craft glue, and of course a glitter. It's a final beautiful touch. I love it. All my Christmas cards this year are like this. Everyone loves this style. Me too. I'm in love totally. So here we are. I can't do it differently. I think this year, maybe next year, we're gonna have a different style of videos. We shall see. But for now, we need the sparkle, we need the gold, and we need this gorgeousness, beautiful style of a card. My gorgeous friends, thank you so much for being here. Believe it or not, I'm recording this voiceover being in Spain on our Christmas holidays. So happy holidays to you. Happy crafting. I'll chat to you soon. Bye. Last minute, I thought to add a tiny clip from our holidays. This is where we are, and I'm sharing those little clips every day on the Instagram if you wish to check it out. And my beautiful friends, happy holidays to you. Whatever you celebrate, we all different in different parts of the world, but I really wish you all the best. My best wishes, hugs and kisses, and I'll chat to you soon. I love you. Bye.